The Election Commission of India has launched the third phase of Special Intensive Revision, under which the exercise of updating the voter rolls has been extended to several states and union territories across the country. The objective of this initiative is to enhance the accuracy of the electoral rolls through large-scale, grassroots level verification and by working in coordination with election officials. As part of Phase 3 of the SIR, the exercise will be conducted across 16 states and 3 union territories covering most of the country. However, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh have been excluded from this phase. The schedule of these 3 states and union territories will be announced later after the completion of Phase 2 of the census and in view of weather conditions in snow-bound and higher altitude region. According to the Election Commission, during Phase 3 of the exercise, more than 3.94 lakh booth-level officers will conduct door-to-door visits. The schedule for the exercise has been instructed in multiple stages, including training, enumeration, draft publication, claims and objections, and final rule publication for each states and UTs. Bureau Report News Now.